Welcome to this series on vehicle-level thermal management. Our demonstration vehicle is a battery electric with a fuel cell range extender. This series starts with simplified cooling circuits and a focus on key technologies, progressing to integrated thermal management. In this chapter, we focus on the role of coolant valve technology. Our demonstration vehicle uses two types of coolant valve. The first is a high flow rate three-way proportional valve, designed for mixing and diverting coolant that has a high flow rate while maintaining a low coolant pressure drop. When used at either of its extremes, the valve will send 100% of the flow to either the heat exchanger or the bypass. Within the fuel cell's own balance of plant, three-way valves will often be used to maintain a precise inlet temperature to the stack, protecting the fuel cell membrane and shortening warm-up time. When bypassing the heat exchanger, faster warm-up and response times are enabled. Once up to temperature, waste heat recovery for cabin or saloon heating dramatically improves the winter drive cycle energy model. The fuel cell valve is infinitely adjustable, can-controlled, holds its last position, and has position feedback. So when coupled with temperature sensing, the response time and temperature set point can be tightly controlled. The second type of coolant valve is a shut-off valve. This is used to zone the cooling system with binary control, either open or closed. Zoning the onboard charger sub-circuit allows isolation from the main coolant loop when in a drive cycle and prioritizes flow rate and cooling when in a rapid charging cycle, reducing the overall demand on the coolant pump, energy consumed by the system, and coolant volume in use. During peak heat rejection events, all valves can be opened to transfer heat to offline components as temporary heat sinks. Such techniques are enabled through a good cooling system architecture, combined with a creative control strategy. Join us in the next chapter where we look at coolant filters in detail, or contact our team today via our website